Okay, let's load the cube's color shader. So let's go find it over here. Then let's apply it to our objects to see what it looks like. Basically, the cube color shader makes it look as though an object is carved from a block of cubes which alternate between odd and even color. And you can change the odd and even color over here, so we can make it red. You can change it to whatever color you want over here. You can change it to like blue or something. And you can apply that to our object to see what it looks like. And there's also a size setting over here, which basically lets you set the size of the cubes. So we can decrease that to make the cube smaller, or increase it to make it bigger. So let's make it like 0.5. Let's apply it to our flat plane. Let's do a render to see what it looks like. You very quickly use this to generate a nice tile set for your objects. And it looks pretty good. You can use different colors, different size, whatever you want. Okay, let's use the wrap checker shader this time. There's the odd and even colors that you can choose, so basically choose whatever color you want over here. And you choose another color for the even colors, just leave it nice gray over there. And there's a size setting over here that controls the size of the checkerboard. What the wrap checker shader is, it's the 2D procedural shader that's wrapped across the object's UV space, and it creates a checkerboard pattern. So basically you can use it to create any kind of checkerboard pattern on any object you want. So let's do a render to see what that looks like. So the thing to remember is that it's wrapped across your object's UV space. So whatever your UV space is set up to be like, it'll be stretched out according to that. So you can see that it's kind of stretched out in the circular kind of shape on our rounded cube over here. That's because the UV space for it is like that, as opposed to the flat plane down over here, which has nice regular UV space. So all the lines are nicely arranged like so.